Our rhodium tank plating starter kit is designed to be used for small one-off rhodium plating jobs. It's a stripped down version of our full rhodium tank plating kit and doesn't include the plating stand or the hot plate stirrer. Because of this, you will need to hold the work in the rhodium solution yourself, and you will need to be plating at a consistent room temperature. If the ambient temperature of your workspace is often below this, then you may need to consider purchasing the full rhodium kit, which does include the hot plate stirrer and the plating stand. Before you get started, you'll need to work out your MF rectifier settings and plating times with our rhodium tank plating calculator, which can be found on the Rhodium Plating Kit product page. For the purposes of this demonstration, the required thickness of plate was 0.2 microns, and the surface area of the ring was estimated to be around 12 centimeters squared. This gave an amp setting of 0.24 and a time of about 2 minutes. These readings should be noted down for later use. To get your kit set up, pour the cleaner into the first beaker and the rhodium tank plating solution into the last beaker. Fill up the 2 rinse beakers with tap water and deionized water respectively. You should have 4 crocodile clips, 1 short red lead, 1 medium red lead and 1 black lead, along with a plating timer, our gold plating jigging wire, some wire clippers and a bottle of MPU fine. Attach 2 stainless steel crocodile clips to both ends of the medium red lead. Attach 1 crocodile clip to one end of the black lead and the last remaining crocodile clip to one end of the short red lead. Plug in one end of the black lead into the black socket on the MF rectifier. Take the short red lead and plug one end into the red socket on the rectifier, and with the other end grip the crocodile clip to the mesh electrode on the cleaning beaker. Take the medium red lead and grip one end to the mesh on the cleaning beaker, and grip the other end to the mesh on the rhodium beaker. This is how your kit should look after you have connected it up. Turn on the MF rectifier, make sure the output is in the up position, and adjust the volts to around 5. Change the output position to the down position. Clip the end of the black lead to the mesh electrode on the cleaning beaker. While the black lead is attached to the cleaning beaker, adjust the amps according to the results you received when you entered in the surface area and desired thickness of plate into the rhodium tank plating calculator. For the purposes of this demonstration, the amp level for this ring is 0.24. Detach the black lead from the cleaner mesh electrode. Your kit is now ready to plate. Enter in the plating time that the plating calculator provided into your plating timer. In this case, the plating time is 2 minutes. To ensure the surface of your work is ready for plating, rub on some liquid detergent and rinse off thoroughly under running water, making sure no trace of detergent is left. Using the gold-plated jigging wire and the wire cutters, fashion a jig for your workpiece and grip the jig you've just made in the crocodile clip. Immerse your work quickly into the cleaning beaker. Do not place it in gradually. Bubbles should quickly appear on the workpiece, showing that cleaning is taking place. Leave it in for about a minute. Pass the work through the 2 rinse stages by dipping them in one after the other. Start the plating timer as you quickly immerse the work into the rhodium beaker. Make sure the work is in the middle of the beaker and keep the work still. Don't move it about. Shake it once to dislodge the bubbles that have formed on the surface of your work. Pass the work through the 2 rinse stages again, with the deionized water being the final rinse. Your work is now rhodium plated using a process that's quick, straightforward to use, and takes up very little bench space.